Okay, I'm using QuickBook Enterprise Solution Accountant version 24. Kapag ka nakita nyo to, base dun sa setup natin, you just close this. Mga ilang beses because 'di ba nung ating nung installation ginawa nating high yung internet option. So that's the reason why kung ba't lumalabas ito. At doon sa firewall, binlock natin yung some of the files to use the internet. So, pag nakita nyo to, all you have to do is to close this also. No? Right click mo dito sa main upper, then just close it. Ganun lang. Ayan. Then, pag na-close mo na, then you can normally use this as okay na yan. No? So yun lang, marami kasing nakaka-encounter na kung ano. Basta remember the rules is anything na nag-pop up na asking you to use internet, to sign up, no, kasi nga hindi naman tayo nagbayad, we're just using the program for our benefit na kung ano yung available. So hindi na tayo kailangan mag-update. Wala tayong rights para mag-update. Alam na, no? Sige, thank you. In case na you need some advice sa QB desktop, let me know. I will try to help you. Bye.